shall do something brave. I know the house is next to our thing. So we're making a fire.
Alright. I'll hold this. You climb in. I got it, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Oh, there's a dead crab right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah,
Or is that a dead plant? Oh, there's a bunch of dead crabs.
I know.
Wow. Locked and loaded?
Yep. Paddle on it.
Here's your
See
paddle.
ya. I'm holding it. I'm going to keeping it. Shall we?
We shall.
Hi!
Hi, cuties.
All right, let's go. I'm trying to remember what that guy told me.
I remember how to kayak. If you want to
Oh, the water's warm.
If you want to go left, put your paddle right.
Like going left.
Sunset paddle cruise.
Oh man, water's nice and calm. I like it.
I wanted to see the water, just in case there's any cool fish.
Oh yeah, it is super shallow, huh?
Go over deeper?
Sure.
Yeah, it's too shallow. This is really nice. Any fishes? Hey! I'm not doing that.
It's cooling you off.
Well, I don't feel anything. Hey!
Water's so clear. It's a lot better than Costa.
Then what?
Than Costa.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, it was deeper though.
That is very true. Although it seems like it's kind of getting deeper now.
Yeah, well, not as.
Watch out for the boats.
Imagine what was in when we were kayaking.
What if we end up in Costa Rica? What if we see ondas? We paddle too far.
And they'd be like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It is pretty though.
And if you just want to go straight, just paddle both sides. I remember that. Did the tiny break?
Sure. Break it up. Let's see what this island's all about.
Oh yeah. Bye. Ma. Wait, Ma.
Man, the water's so clear. Where's the sharks?
Ah, dude.
Got plenty of chum.
Ah. Oh yeah, it still is. I guess gonna step in the water if you want to get out.
Oh, maybe if we go kayak tomorrow, Shea-Bug, we'll bring your snorkel stuff and you can jump out.
But isn't this a protected area?
We'll be like, oh, sorry, didn't know. And then, you know, just gonna have to go to
Well, literally, you
Belize jail.
Very nice. You even said in the website that I read.
Really?
Yeah. When you get there, the people are very kind and friendly.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, we're going. Do you want to go this way?
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
Let's go straight for a little bit. See if it opens up.